Morning, everybody. Sell stop 1 minute. Sell stop 1 minute NAS. Sell stop 1 minute US 30. Sell stop right now 1 minute both. Morning, everybody. Morning, the gaming milk man. Morning, PK. Morning, Este. Morning, Rebecca. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, LT. $50 a month for 2 rooms. That's all you need. You can get $200. You can get all of them, but you don't need that. Morning, Lauren. Unless you like to trade lots of different things. Then good morning, Lauren. Morning, Cameron. All right, got to get TikTok up and running. Morning, Patrick. Hope you all had a great July 4th. Hope everybody enjoyed themselves. Ate well. Just getting TikTok set up. And we're going to go ahead and make some call outs here. You're in the money on the earlier sell stops. I'm sure everyone must have traded to the blue line for the US 30 and NAS and SPX this morning. I hope that was called out last night. Yep, we're live on TikTok. All right, now we're up on TikTok. I believe they can actually hear me. All right, where we at? So blurry on YouTube this morning. I don't know if it's blurry to you guys. I don't know what else to do about that. Last night it was perfect. I don't know. Sorry about that. Morning, Larry. Morning, Terry. Morning, John C. Morning, Patrick. Morning, everybody. Pretty sure you can see perfectly clear on TikTok, though. All right, I'm going to go over some different things. I can't really show everything on YouTube anymore, but TikTok you can see the 3 charts that I have up and why that's important. Outstanding news. Not only is the sniper going to be trading your 1 minute, 5 minutes, it's literally going to be trading the 5 minutes. So it's literally going to be trading 5-minute safety trades for you also. So you're going to see 3 charts up: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes. So the sniper will be trading 1 minute and 5 minute sniper entries for you guys. I'll explain how that works, but it's going to be really, really, really nice for you. Very nice for you. Extremely nice for you. Stephen Cowie says 5 minute my favorite. Yeah, Steve, you might want to head over to TikTok and watch it over there then, because I can't really. I'll try to explain what it is for you guys, how it looks. It looks perfect. It looks perfect on YouTube, Shaz? No shit, it's blurry as hell to me. Wow, that's great to know. Yay. Good morning, Terry Gross. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Morning, Georgie. Morning, Shaz. Morning, Aaron. Good morning, D-Nice. Morning, Steven. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Morning, 123. Good morning, Demetrius Alexandra. How about I call you Alex? Good morning, Alex. Good morning, Patrick. Good morning, Larry. So you had a fantastic day. Awesome, Patrick. Morning, everybody. Yeah, so it hasn't even come out yet, and I was able to get it to sell stop 1 minute, all three indices, as I said before, but I'm going to go over that with you guys. What's up, Hot Boy? Good morning. I don't know you, I don't think. TikTok or YouTube really sounded good. Oh, okay, Patrick, cool. Yeah, so the sniper will be sniping on 1 minute and 5 minute entries now, not just the 1 minute. I'll explain how that works in just a second here. I'll explain how I was able to get in earlier on the sell stop and make money. And then the cross is just happening now. It's already happened for US 30. It's happening right now for NAS. And of course, 2 out of 3. Good morning, Glow. What's up, Glow? Morning, Mom. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Botnator. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, Glow again. Good morning, Miss Angela Taylor, Mom. Good morning, Scott. Good morning, Botnator, Stephen, PK. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, Aaron. Good morning, Shaz. Great news on the snipe. Can't wait to get it. Yeah, so the sniper was just 1 minute. Look at it go down before your very eyes. That's the power of the sniper. Correct entry called out again for you. Not just on NAS that you just made money on. Back to the blue line, by the way, on 5 minute. But it also did it again. So just take your money out and get out of the trade. If you're up on the trade, which you are, anyone that's in the real world is up on this trade, take your money and run, okay? Please, don't be greedy this morning. I'm kind of in the mood. I got so much going on with that property I bought. And pulling out pretty much the whole inside. Crazy. Well, a couple of guys I hired on that. But anyway, and the same thing on US 30. You can see the cross there. You can see the first time I got in back here. I'll explain why I did that. That's my entries. Oh, I didn't say the trades. These are the trades I have going. I have a buy on NAS still long term. I might drop that off. I'm going to look back and see it. And this account I took back down to $250. I took out, I think there was over 1,000 last night. And those are my 2 trades from this morning. $55 and $25, and that's the one from the other day. All right, so those are the trades. What's up, Danny? What's up, Dan? Where you been, brother? Glad to have you back. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, OG Khan. All right, so let's go over a few things. Should I make the call-outs now before I let time go by? Because I always let time go by too fast. I think I'll do the call-outs now, and then I'll come back and explain the trades and everything. By the way, the scanners are all working perfectly. The scanner that, our main scanner, the one that trades the blue line just like I do, is utterly fantastic. It's running perfectly. We had a little hiccup because we tried to make it on a secure server, but if you look right here, absolute perfection on the the M1 2 out of 3 scanner. I mean, if you'd have followed this morning, you could have made literally 50, 60 pips free. It was perfect. So this is going to be explained in a minute too, but it's working absolutely perfectly. All right, now I'm going to start with gold. Dippity boppity boo. 1 minute gold. Yep, look at it. There you go. This is an easy buy. Yeah, 5 minute buy, stop gold. Came down, touched this blue line. 1 minute buy, stop gold. 5 minute. It was a 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. 4 hour sell, stop gold. Daily buy, stop gold. And that's what you got. Oil. Good morning, Monique. Oil, 1 minute. Looks like a nice little buy stop. Let me see. Not what I want though, but it is. Let me see something over here. Let me see something over here too. Hold on. Yeah, you're in the money again on your NAS one, by the way, just so we're clear. Not really acceptable on oil. Let's see. Oil, 1 minute. Buy stop. Oil to the blue line, 1 hour. Again, I told you that the other day. That's where it's going, and that's where it is. But I don't know. I mean, at that point, it's too late. 4 hour daily sell, stop oil. All right. Weekly, monthly buy stop oil. XRP, let's go. XRP, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? XRP land here. XRP is, yo, what the? XRP, interesting. Let me see something with XRP. Now I'm going to go with the buy stop 1 minute XRP, forming a 5 minute sell stop XRP. Then we're going to have a 4 hour sell stop XRP, daily buy stop back to the blue line XRP, weekly sell stop to the blue line XRP, monthly buy stop. Ethereum and Bitcoin are always the same Bitcoin rules, so whatever Bitcoin does, Ethereum follows. 1 minute 1 minute Ethereum, 1 minute Ethereum. One minute Ethereum. Wow. Interesting. Hold on a second. Let me get a little better read on these. 15 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 30 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. Yes. 1 minute sell stop to the 15 minute line for Ethereum. I still say it's going to pull back up. Fine. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute. This is going to confuse all of you. 1 minute buy stop to the 5 minute red line, which will then form a 5 minute sell stop to the 15 minute blue line. Anyone follow that? That's exactly what it's going to do. Ethereum. Sorry, probably lost all you on that one. Ethereum, 4 hour buy. Ethereum, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Ethereum, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop. Bitcoin, it's going to be the same. 1 minute buy Bitcoin, forming a 5 minute sell stop to the red line, and then it'll fall back down again to the 15 minute blue line. Bitcoin, 1 hour Bitcoin, 4 hour. 4 hour buy stop Bitcoin, weekly sell stop Bitcoin, monthly buy stop Bitcoin, USD CAD. Look for a sell stop on NAS to the blue line on the 5 minute. Look for any sell stop to NAS on the blue line. Shoot, I should go over there. I'll wait. USD CAD. Nope. Hold on a second. Let me see something. USD CAD. Already entered in on the 5 minute buy. I would go with a 1 minute short little sell. Then it's going to be a 5 minute buy again, USD CAD. And then it's already touched this 30 minute. Has it gone to its 1 hour? It's going to be a 1 minute buy, 5 minute buy, any one you can find on USD CAD to the 1 hour blue line USD CAD buy. And then it's going to form weekly buy stop to the monthly blue line, USD CAD. USD CHF, UTISHEF is the complete opposite of ERUSD. So whatever I call for ERUSD is the opposite for UTISHEF. 1 minute buy. Oh, hold on. Nope, gotta wait. Too late. It's a 1 minute buy to the 5 minute blue line. It's already happening. It's already to the 15 minutes. It's going to form a 30 minute sell. 30 minute sell stop will then 1 minute buy stop ERUSD when you can get them. Then it will form a 15 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line later today. And then it will form a nothing weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line ERUSD. ERUSD is now very similar, by the way, to GBP-USD. GBP-USD was a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. We're too late. Is it going to go up too late on that one too? 5 minute sell stop, but I don't think that's going to engage. I think you're going to see a 1 hour buy stop engage for GBP-USD. Weekly sell stop to the monthly blue line on ERUSD. GBP New Zealand. 1 minute. Already happened. 1 minute, and that was a 5. Now look at that thing of beauty right there. Yeah. Play every 1 minute buy stop on GBP New Zealand to the 5 minute blue line. If you don't know what the blue line is, buy the system, you'll know. 30 minute, 1 hour maybe? 30? Nope. 30 minutes is going to go up and touch the 1 hour red line. But at any rate, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop will form a little bit later today, and then it will form a 1 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour sell stop. After that, it's going to form a 4 hour daily buy stop, and that's about all we'll call it. GBB, JPY, GY, GBB, JPY, 1 minute. Too late. Also too late. It is a 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop. It is also probably going to be a 1 hour buy stop, 30-minute, 1 hour buy stop. You kind of should already be in that money. Daily. And that's the one that was going up to the blue line and passing, and it's done that. SPX, 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop, SPX. Let me see something clear though. Oh, it's already gone down and touched the 5-minute blue line. Yeah. You're going to see, gosh, it's got to pull back up now. You're going to see a 1 minute buy start to form on these things. And then they're going to form. Yeah, I can see that. Let me see. It's going to arch up. Preferably, I'll draw it out for you guys. All three of the indices. Our logo started up here, comes down. You want it to arch up like this. All these indicators change. I would like to see this one turn green right here. These all stay red. You'll see price action come up like this, arch up and come back down. So let me see. How am I going to write that out for you guys to understand? We'll call this a 1 minute, although the 1 minute sell stops from last night are all perfect, by the way, just so we're all clear. This is a 1 minute. If you guys are going to go. Hold on. All right, I'm going to call it this thing so you guys can get too confused. All right. All right, and then we're going to need, what is that one? 1 hour buy stop. Unofficially, though, look for. I'll walk you through that as the morning goes on, though. I'll see what happens. We're going to start to pull back up, which it might not do until 9:30. All right. So now we're cool. That's everything on every one of those 14. Yep, that's everybody. Let's get NAS real quick. It's going to be the same, though. This is oil. Nope, we need NAS. See, yeah, NAS is already doing it. Told you. NAS is going to come up, touch its 5-minute line, then hook and come back down. Now, I'll show you how you can read that very clearly with the sniper here in just a second. You're in the money on that US 30 if you took it again. But I'm going to go over the NAS with this for a second here. Remember, not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. All right. Good morning, Dr. Bianca Adams. Good morning, Gavin. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Jason L. Rock the Bach. Good morning, Monique. Feeling the Christmas things now ready to make some shit happen. Nice, Sean saying. Good to have you back, Danny. Richard Miles, good morning. Good morning, Eric. Good morning, Paul. Good morning, OG Khan. New TikTok is great. Love the new TikTok. What's up, Angela? Thank you. I'm glad you like it. Hi, Kevin. Team. Wow, been away from trading a while since 50 trade, 3 bottom indies. Different. Did I miss that? Yeah, you did. Those are bars now. They're much cleaner to see. Good morning, Builder, and Larry, and Patrick, and Hopperling. All right, so I think we're all good. Good morning, Stefan. I believe we called out everything. Not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor, not a financial advisor. And now I'm pulling these things up. All right. There we go. Now, so you guys can see this a little clearer. What happens with the sniper, the new thing that's coming out, hopefully, hope I'm not late on this one, July 10th, is a whole bunch of cool ass shit. What you guys are about to see is freaking amazing. So the sniper is 1 minute, 5 minute snipes, meaning it's scalping. If you like to trade fast and get in and out of trades, this thing is absolutely for you. I'm going to explain to you how it works. It's just the same as what you have. We're going to go back a little bit here, so watch. What we have here, and you're about to see, is so effing cool, but I'm going to explain the 1 minute for you. When there is a movement down, let me pull up my arrows. When you see the five, can you guys see that? Yes, you can. When you see this 5 minute yellow line go down, like this, okay? Then you're going to wait for the 1 minute to go down, like that. Then you're going to see these things pull up against that. And I'll show you what that looks like. So let's take a look at those things. So we're going to watch right here. And then as we do this live, you'll see this thing kind of fall down. All right, so watch. This is our drop live. So you can literally see, let me hook that again for you. When you hit this little button here, we get live analysis. So you can see the 5 minute dropping down. Then you can see these pullbacks. This is a fill in the gap safety trade right here with the pink crossing for your entry. Boom, right down to the yellow, purple down to the yellow, you get out. Then it did it again, they crossed, right? And then when did the pink cross? It went down and came back up again. Did it again, right? But you wouldn't take these trades because once they start, the yellow over here starts moving up, you don't take the sell stops. It prevents you. That's going to be one of your rules, so don't worry about it. And then you're going to come back over to here. Then there's this dirty safety trade right here, and then another fill in the gap right here. And that's going to the blue line in the 5 minute, which will be called. So in other words, the safety trade and the sniper safety trades are going to be direct entrances for you guys. You see that break right there? Boop, boop. Now, let me go over to what this is. If you guys can head over to TikTok, you'll see it a lot easier. But what's happening is this yellow pullback right here is another sniper entry in and of it all itself. So what do I mean? This is actually going against the yellow flat of the 15 minute, and you can't see that on YouTube, but you can on TikTok. So when this pulls up, the yellow pulls up, you have your entry still right here, watch. You still have your entry on the 1 minute if you want, but you're at such a cool advantage now. Now you know when this trade is going to happen because of the simple fact that we have our the 5 minute hooking. So it's just amazing. See how it pulled back, forming our logo. It's always forming our logo. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minutes, doesn't matter. It's forming our logo. Poop, there it goes down. There's your double hook down. There's your fill in the gap what I was talking about. And then you'll see the descent on the 5 minutes of the blue line. And that's how you play it. Now it sounds complicated, but it's very easy. All we're doing every time you see this, is we're waiting for a pullback. So let me show you what it looks like on US 30. I'm going to pull up US 30 for you. So all we're waiting for is our logo to form every time. All the sniper does is help you see it. So see the pullback right here? You're going to see yellow, the pink cross, the purple, and then our normal safety trade is green, 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 red, 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 green, red, red, pop, it goes down. That's all you're looking for is the pullback. So from the yellow on the 1 minute, but on our 5 minute, it's actually a pullback from the yellow on the 15. It's the exact same principle. One is just pink and purple, and one is just yellow against the yellow. That's all you're going to see, but it is so freaking cool when you see this live. I have it videotaped. I'll probably play the videotape this evening for you so you guys to see it. But when you see this, this is nothing more than a safety trade on the 5 minute, and it's showing it because it stays flat on the 15 minute, and oh my gosh, it's literally printing money. That's why I'm in those trades. See, when I got in up here, this is my entry up here. And it was just simply, this is a dirty sell stop, but it was a confirmed dirty sell stop on the 5 minute safety trade, on the sniper safety trade. So it's just, I'm just upping you one. So now it's working on 1 minute, 5 minutes. And I told you, eventually knowing me, oh, look at that go down. Eventually knowing me, we're going to, how much was that up? $82, nice. We'll have this working on all time frames, but for right now, it's 1 minute, 5 minute. All right. I hope I didn't lose you all on that, but that's what it's doing. Now, good morning, Kent. Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Scott. I can't help it. If it's not working off an iPhone, the sound isn't great. I can't help you. I would have opened both anyways. US 30 NAS are your favorites. Absolutely, Scott. They're my favorites. And SPX. They all work together. We trade all three as one. Now, let me show you how this would have worked for you guys with the 2 out of 3 scanner. You enter your trades usually on the 5-minute and 1-minute hold. No, not at all. I usually enter on my 1 hour, 4 hours, but for you guys, I do 1 minute, 5 minutes. I'll enter. There's rules for entry. Yeah, you'll know. So no, it would be the 1 minute. There's specific rules for that. Look at it drop down before your very eyes as it's going. The real-time analysis would show you that this right here, this pullback right here forming our logo. What is our logo? The back of the bull. This is the back of the bull right here. All we trade is this. That's all we trade is this right here. So if you see this green up logo right here, or the red down logo right there, that's what we're trading today. And I'll show you how that looks like drawn out. All right, there you go. So the back of the bull there with that red down, I'll show you what it looks like on the 1 minute. Starts above, told to come down. Our bullshit detector tells us to come back up again, and it hooks and comes down. If you look over here, you're going to see the same thing. It starts up here, came down. Then it was told to come back up, hooked and came down. And then it's doing it again right now before your very eyes, and it's coming back down to the blue line movement. And that's what you trade. So if you don't understand that, you just have to either study your training video or buy the system so you get it. And there it is. Boom, boom. There it is live. This is the pink crossing the purple going back down to the yellow line. The yellow line is solid on the 15, so what this tells me right here is this is going to hook up. I think it's going to hook up a little bit more, and then it's going to start to come down even harder and further. So I distinctly see a pullback up for US 30, so we can get another entry in for you guys. Hopefully that occurs. And in the meantime, you'd be up, depending on entry point, you'd be up 50 pips, or you'd be up somewhere in this neighborhood of about 20. And there it is. But I would expect a pullback right now here, I would think. And watch. So, let me show you. So the 1 minute, okay, this is what happens. I trade all 3 indices as one. So my favorites are SPX, NAS, and US 30. At night, I'm going to go over this with you. One of them turned to red, and then 2 were green, just like it is now. And then 1's green and 2 are red. And then 2 turned to red, and then the third one turned to red. So let me show you what that looks like. So when the scanner first changes overnight to that 1 red, you look. So what we're going to do is we're going to scoosh on back. We're going to see where this crossed. So right here is the cross for, is the cross for US 30. So now we're going to look at NAS. We're going to see when NAS crossed its 1 minute blue line. Maybe. And right here, NAS crossed its blue line right here. And let's see where SPX crossed its 1 minute blue line. And this is called 2 out of 3 blue line trading in here. Yeah, about the same time. So we had 1, so we're going to go back to US 30, it usually leads. So US 30, cross this blue line here. Well, when it crossed right there on this one, let's take a look at NAS again when that happens to this first one right here. See, so that what they did was you would look for your sell stop and or the sniper entry right here. And when you see this right there, watch, let me get this hooked up for you. Right here. You can see that that was your pullback line right here. It came back up again. This is not a full-on safe trade. This is a sniper entry, but this would be going back down to your blue line. And then the same thing also happened on your SPX. and that's it. And that's what they gave us this morning. Then, of course, we have multiple other sell stops that were happening, and that's what happened. And that was easy peasy. Now, we're currently looking for that. Let me go back to this there we go. So that pull back up here, and we'll get back in again for us. This is now. Okay, so that's US 30. What a thing of beauty. Yeah, it's got to pull back up. This is entirely, not saying whatever, but it's entirely too far away. Oh, whoa. This might be forming the M, the internal M on the 5-minute. I'm holding mine. Holy shit, I wonder if it's true. If this forms another 1-minute sell stop on US 30, I would take this. Wow, that looks so cool. I hope it does it for us. That'd be nice. All right, I'm going to go back to NAS2 then. All right, I'm not sure I have everyone there, but if I do, everyone's tension there. I hope we got that. Excellent morning, Kev. Happy 4th. Good morning, Dr. Harry. Happy 4th to you. Is that like a put option? No, a sell stop's a pending order. It's called the pending order, Scott. How much money do I need to trade NAS US 30? One of our guys started with $2,500 to trade only US 30. He's grown it to over $340,000. I don't recommend that much. You would actually start trading with nothing if you're asking to start with in the beginning. Good morning, Kosh Patel. Good morning, Corey. What's the blue line mean? The blue line is actually being changed to mountain line. The blue line is a very specific moving average that I use to tell you where things are going to. It shows you what direction things are going to. I'm into the 15-minute rerun. Awesome, Kathy. A sell stop, yeah, just a pending order. Finally, sunny day we have had that rain. Oh, what's up, two silly Siberians? Love your kitties. Could I trade NAS for $500? Absolutely you can, but Scott, when you start trading, you need to trade demo only for 1 month. Well, here, let's go over it. Let's go over what Phil does. I tell everyone to be like Phil, not be like Mike, but be like Phil. So let's take a look at what Phil has done. This gentleman was a new trader. He never, ever traded. This is in our Discord. He had never traded before. And, oh, yeah, we want this one. Where are we at now? Come on. Here we go. He'll be on as a guest speaker, maybe later this week, by the way. Where did it go? Well, right. I could have sworn I tagged that one. Well, let me go into pin messages. Phil never started trading back in September. Then he watched his training video that he did live with me in a small group. He watched his video 50 times a week. And then for 4 weeks, then he traded nothing but SPX for 4 weeks. And he went live with $2,500 in the account and he made over $33,000 his first month trading. He only traded SPX. And this is not it. All right, be like Phil. Here it is. All right, and he's also buying a Bentley. So Phil, let me pull this back over for you guys around. I'll try to that is. Right here. I'll try to move it over so you two can see it too. So Phil over here, this guy right there. He comes on all the time, won't be on this morning. He's got a Bentley being delivered on 8/14, a brand new one he has coming. He's being delivered to his place. And he made $340,000 since January. And he quit his $140,000 a year job, and he makes $1,000 to $13,000 a day trading. So you can make money using the system. Jay Cochran's made over $1 million. Tommy made $60,000. Hell, my mother-in-law made $50 the other day. If you make $50 a day, you can make a lot of money in a day. But you have to learn the system. So what has to happen is buy the system, unlearn everything you think you know about trading, relearn the correct way, which is the safety trade system, and then teach it to someone. Once you teach it to someone or someone's, you master it. And that's what you do. And that's how you get those Bentleys. Beer bongs and Bentleys. All right. It's going to pull back up for me another sell stop on US 30, by the way. Let me bring these over from the last one. And this one now. This one now. This one. Yeah, see, it's still going to arch up a little bit. I don't like the fact that the 15-minute here. Hold on a second. We got to get this. Ooh. Just going to form a 15-minute. You're going to see NAS arch up to the 15-minute red line and hook and come back down again. It is officially a 5-minute sell stop, however, right now. So, beautiful. This is beautiful right here. Woo! Let it come up some more, and we're going to make a shit ton of money on NAS here in just a little bit. It's going to take, I say a little bit, but probably it's going to take about an hour for that thing to do what it's got to do. Because you're talking about 15-minute, 30-minute candles here. Is NAS going back down to its 1-minute blue line? Oh, going back up to its 1-minute blue line? Yes, I believe so. It is. Correct. Trade like Phil says, Rick Miles. Correct. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Kim. Okay, so I think I answered all your questions, Scott. I hope I didn't miss anything. And if there's any questions that I haven't answered, it's because the filters on YouTube and TikTok are filtering them out. So, yeah. No filters. Like, if you have a question, email me, in other words. I don't think they'll email back yet. That should be Friday. Oh, Phil's coming on Friday. Awesome. Oh, shit. I'm typing on the wrong keyboard. Fuck. Hold on a second. Phil will be our guest host. All right, so Phil, the gentleman who had no trading experience, the gentleman started with $2,500 in account, grew to over $340,000, and the gentleman who has a Bentley coming on my baby's birthday, 8/14, is going to be our guest Friday. So Phil will be our guest Friday. Phil, yes, Friday, this Friday. So you guys get to call in, or message in, whatever you want to do, I should say, to talk to Phil. 5-minute sell stop, NAS100. And I'll explain how this is working out for you. All right, that's freaking awesome. Great news. Yay, Phil. Thanks for coming on, buddy. Appreciate that. I'm selling US 30s, kicking the ass. Yeah, you'll start with SPX. So this is what you do. I'll walk you through the whole process. So what you do is you go over to here, to safetytrade.com. I pull it over here so people on YouTube can see. So you go over to safetytrade.com. You go buy the system. Then you have to unlearn everything you think you know about trading, because the reality is, when you look at this shit, you'll die. But when the reality is that you type into Google, so no one has to take my word for it. Just type in, do less than 1% of traders make money? It says less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. But yet you and I and everyone else were trained on Fibonacci retracements, look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, price action, naming of candles and candle patterns. I know I'm for support and resistance, trend trading. I know I'm forgetting things, but we were trained all the same way, and 99% of us lose. It's a fact. So I said, screw that shit. I had to make a system up for my daughter. She has epilepsy, don't get into it, but some way she can make money, and I did. 1 minute sell stop, US 30, by the way. Officially, anyways. Less than 1% of traders make money trying to trade that way. So that has to get out. You have to get it out of your brain. There is no such thing as percentages or what your ROIs and all that shit. I did all that shit for 5.5 years, lost $26,500, and it doesn't work. Plain and simple. So you have to unlearn everything you think you know. Now, once you buy the system and then you unlearn everything you know, then you relearn everything you know. Well, how do you do that? Why is that there? Hold on, I gotta get my type phone up. So this is, wow, and supposedly they upgraded me 2 days ago. Yo, hold on a second, give me this 1 second. Type form, what are you doing? Then, after you purchase the system, you get a type form. The type form is nothing more than a walk you through. It walks you through every step on what you need to do, how you need to do it. And I don't understand why the internet's running slower than snow. And it goes on here, and it sends you a video. You put your name in here. You do this. You do, most of our new clients do that. And then blah, blah, blah. And then you type in instructions. Oh, by the way, if you're not detail-oriented and you can't follow simple instructions, please don't get the system. If you can follow simple instructions and it gives you videos too on how to do things, then buy the system. And that's all you do, and it walks you through these 10, 12 little things. Once you're done with the type form, you'll schedule up to do a live with me. Then you get lives with me 9, 12. Okay, you have 18 minutes to market open, so 17 and a half minutes to market open. And then when you do your live class with me on Mondays at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, you'll be trained up. See, look at that buy, there it goes. Yeah, see that buy, that blue line's unofficial, but it's got to go back up there. And watch, hold on, that US 30, it's going to do the same thing. They have to do this right now. There's nothing else they can do. It's why they have to do that is it's too far away on the 5 minute, 15 minutes. See, I remember I drew that. So it can pull back up again. And then that's when we're going to let this thing come up. Hook back up. That's what this drawing was right here. I'll put this thing. So let this thing keep coming back up for us. We'll get back in again, and boy, we're going to have some fun with that. Yeah, let this arch up. And don't forget, you still have your 1 hour buy stop. No, exactly. Let me drop one in right here. Now, where was I? 1 minute. Yeah, let this go up, and let's see if we can get US 30 to do the same thing. Let me see SPX. I'm assuming SPX is bouncing just like NAS is too, I think. No, not as good. The best one was NAS. NAS to the blue line. That's why it's looking better. That is your filling a gap buy stop right there. Let it keep going. All right, now where were we? So after you buy it, you get your training Mondays at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, live, small group, and then you get also follow-up training for the rest of your life. As long as I'm alive, you're alive, you get training, and that is every Monday at 2:30 Eastern Standard Time, and then that is for basically about a half hour. You can ask any questions you want there. We don't monitor, we kind of override everything. That's it. So that's how the system goes. You buy it, unlearn everything you think you knew about trading, relearn the safety trade system, and then master it by teaching it. And you don't have to buy another set. Just teach people the system so you can learn it yourself. That's how you're going to get good with it. Real good. Excellent morning. Azar says SPX 1 minute. I can look at that. I think I just called it, though I might have missed what you were talking about. But it's not going to be a 1 minute sell stop. It's going to flip. Just like you see things. That's why I said unofficially look for a buy stop, because you have to let this thing pull back up now before market open. I bet you even US 30 is going up too. See it? This is now a broken box. It's reloading. See right here, you would never take this trade because the yellow is now arching up, so you can't take this trade on. This is the stop you from taking this trade on SPX. There you go. Now, NAS in and of itself, though, this is fantastic. Let me see something if I can. I want to leave NAS up there. Let me see if I can do something over here. Give me 1 second. Yeah, no, we're good. Yeah, let these things arch back up. I really think we're going to get a nice pull back down here in a minute. Let it come back up though for now. If they form any 1 minute buy stops, take them. And then we're going to see a nice pullback probably at open. And we'll come back down again. All right. God bless God. God bless you, Shash. I work till 5. I might get to lunch at 1. I can't have people take off for training. That's all I can say. It's the only time. Unless you want to spend extra money for a one-on-one, which I wouldn't recommend, but it's $777, and you can get a one-on-one with me. And then you can schedule up any time, basically Monday or Tuesday. And I go as late as 5 o'clock on Mondays and 5 o'clock on Tuesdays, if that helps you. But I wouldn't pay extra, small groups like that. Look at how beautiful this is. Woo. All right, now where were we? Cool. Good morning. Good morning, Erica. All right, now everyone's gonna have a chance to make some more money here very, very soon. Very soon. Sell stop. 1 minute, 5 minute NAS to the blue line again. And if it doesn't happen, be ready for a buy stop. I thought I already placed this in. Oh, this is SPX. Fuck. Hold on a second. Let's go back to NAS. Yeah, I did. I put my 1 hour buys on all 3 indices. But I'm really, really hoping we can pull off one more great sell stop to the blue line here. I don't know. Might not get it. Yeah, see, there it goes. It's going to come back down now. It's going to hook. It's going to do the opposite of the other one. See, price start underneath. Told to go up. It's going to come down here and hook like this and go back up to that blue line on NAS anyways. When it does that, then it's going to probably do that very fast at market open. And then when it does that, we just see a big ass drop back down again. So. Well, at least for US 30 for sure. Yeah, we have 15 minutes. Damn. I don't know. I don't know if we'll see it at open or not. I kind of hope so. Yeah. It's going to arch all the way up here. Yep, that's what I see it doing. Yeah, no. I would be playing these downs. Just be patient. Don't get too hyper. Let it arch up probably a little bit more, I would say. I don't think it's up high enough yet. I think it needs to come up more. I think it's going to touch our blue line or come close to that. Let it do its arch up, and then we're going to get into this 5 minute sell stop, and then that should be a nice long sell for us. Again, at least on US 30, probably even NAS too. And that's all we can do on that one. Let's see. The scanner, I don't even have my other scanner up yet, the big board, so I have to get that reloaded in later. Nothing to do there, not taking that one either. We're good. And it shows you 2 out of 3. Too bad we can't share a screen with the other either. All right. Good morning, Richard. Good morning, Stacy. Morning, Steve. All right, anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? We should see a nice, way more movement this morning at open in 10 minutes than we did yesterday and the day before. This should be a full-on open. We should see great, great movement. Hopefully the holiday's over if not everyone's drunk and high and they're actually back to making money. That would be nice. All right, that's cool. All right, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, be ready for that US 30, I'm telling you. I'm very, 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 very comfortable with US 30. Still going up though, so hang in there for a minute. It's reloading on its, see that arch up on the yellow? This is exactly what you want to see. Are we down on the 5-minute though? No, we are not. Why is US 30 not down? That's US 30 like that? I'm trying to get you guys in good, but I don't know if I'll be able to do that. Take that 1-minute buy stop to the blue line on NAS. It's going to be a fill in the gap, it looks like. SPX the same way. Take the buy stop on SPX and NAS if you can. Now this US 30, I'm in and never tapped me out with, so I'm going to hang into the sell stop right here. I want to see what happens here. I'm very, very, very excited about that one. NAS is cool, but you know, whatever. Buy stop, 1 minute to the blue line NAS. They're just going up to touch the 15-minute red line. That's all they're doing. They're forming a 15-minute sell stop. So you either wait for the 15-minute sell stop, 5-minute, 15-minute sell stop, or do some buy short term if you want. That's up to you how you handle it. All right. I'm going to go ahead and show you how I look at things for the last, I think it was about 2-3 hours this morning. How I actually get everything ready for you guys. I'm going to show you how I do that over and over and over again. You say that SPX is heading back to the blue line. What's up, Corey? When you say buy stop, that is long, right? So it's a buy limit order. No, it's a buy stop. Incorrect, Dragon. Dragon, haven't you had your training? Didn't you buy the system, Dragon? I'm confused on that question. No, buy stop is a pending order. And it is not a buy limit. Absolutely not. They're completely opposite. One is starts from above and comes back up. One starts from below and comes back up. The buy stop, it comes from below and enters into the trade. It keeps going up. Oh, you didn't buy yet, Dragon. You'll know. When I go over all the directions with you, you know. But so to answer your question simply, when you say buy stop, is that a long? Right. It is a long, but it is not a buy limit order. It is a buy stop order. It comes from below and goes up and keeps going up while you hold. That's what that is. Or did you say SPX? Let me check SPX again for you, Corey. SPX. SPX is officially a 1 minute, 5-minute sell stop to the blue line on the 5-minute. It is unofficially a 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. It is officially a 1 hour buy stop. Yeah, I got it all written out pretty good there. I think I'm comfortable with that. So officially 1 minute sell stop, 1 minute sell stop. So if it doesn't, in other words, if I'm saying it's officially a 1 minute sell stop to 5-minute blue line and you put your sell stop line wherever you're supposed to put it, somewhere around here, and it never comes down and touches it, then the 1 minute's never engaged. Does that make sense? So you don't have to worry about it. And then if it goes up over this one over here somewhere above that line, right? And then it goes up, then you make money on that buy. That's all. So you might not engage the 1 minute, right? Sell. But now the buy stop, yes. Now if the buy stop goes up, it'll engage it, it'll go up, and you'll see it rise. That's different, but that's unofficial. It's not forming a true buy stop, but it just isn't. And the only reason why it's going up on your 1 minute, all these, is to touch the 5 minute. Personally, I think it's going to go up and touch the 15. But if it doesn't go up and touch the 15, then it's a sell stop right underneath here on the 5 minute. That's all. Yeah, see how this one's already up over it? What is this? NAS. And see how NAS is coming up to touch its 15 or come close? Then you're going to see this 5 minute sell stop hit in. Yes. Then you'll see this 5 minute sell stop, boom, go boom, straight back down to the NAS blue line on the 5 minute. And you can see clearly on here, it already did it once. That's why you're too late. Well, not too late. You should have already been done trading. Look, this right here. How much time do I have left? 6 minutes, 5 minutes. All right, look, this right here, to be specific to you. You can see that earlier this morning, way early this morning, US 30 hit its blue line first, so the one red down arrow, these were both green. Then the NAS hit it, and then SPX hit about the same time. You would have made money. Then US 30 hit its 5 minute blue line, and then these two all came down also. That was a lot of money on those. Will it do that again? I don't know. It's always coded to do it. Well, it's always shown to do it once, so it did do it. Boom, boom, boom. Now will it come back and do it, or are we going to see a flip? Are we going to see like US 30 turn green, and then green, green, and then all the rest of them green? That's what you got to wait for. It already did it once to the 5. You can see it clearly on the 5 minute blue lines. Look, it's right here. You can see NAS hit it. It ricocheted and came back down again. Hey, I like that ricochet. Maybe I'll talk about ricochet. All right, anyway, and that's what it did it there on NAS. Watch SPX. Came down, hit it, ricocheted up, came back down again. Now, will it come back down and do it again? Yes, I believe you'll see this do that again this morning, SPX. Now, US 30, did it come down? Yeah. Came down, hit it, ricocheted back up again, came down again. Is it forming another one? Yes, it is. Will it come up even higher? I don't know. That's the only thing. You just have to be patient, which none of you are. I'm not either. But see, we're too far away from the 15 minute. All the correct calls were back here. All the correct entries were here on the 15 minute, not down here where we are. We need this to pull back up. Henceforth, why I drew out this line right here. I want this to pull back up at open so we can get a better entry for it. Does that make sense? So if we can get this to pull up even higher, I can get a nice call in for you guys. Say, hey, sell stop, blah, 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 whatever. So that's all. And it is a sell stop. It's a dirty sell stop. And NAS100 is your only hope for it to go up to the blue line right now, which it probably will. And then it's going to arch back up to its 15 minute line. And then we're going to see that thing. And we're going to call it sell stop. Because right now it's a 1 minute buy and a 5 minute, 15 minute sell. So for instance, if I was going to do something like this, you come over here. 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open, sell stop. And I'd put it somewhere between here. I wouldn't get caught in anything. And I would just let it do that. And wait. And you wait. So now we have this open. We have NAS open. We have US 30 on my other one open. And we just sit here, and that's what we're going to do for the next 2 minutes. So we're hoping for more of a pull up on all three indices, and I'll be able to call it sell stop 5 minute, or we'll just ride the ups. I mean, either way you want to do it, I'm in a long-term one anyway. All right, here we go. Let's see how she rolls out for everybody. I want it to pull back up higher. We have just a minute and a half to market open. It looks like we're reloading on the NAS for that buy stop. It does not. Yeah. No, still hasn't converted over though. No. So that's a big no. I don't think US 30 is going to do it right this second. I think you're going to see NAS do it though. And then we'll make our move. Thanks, Kev, your live has stopped. What live is stop? Okay. This week. Awesome. Why was it's working? Yeah, I never saw it go down. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. I don't know. Opening my internet. Who knows? So Phil, the guy who made $340,000 since January, $33,000 first month's trading with no trading experience, will be our guest this Friday. There comes market open. Boom, here it comes in 25 seconds. Either 1, don't play market open. 2, listen to what I just called out. 3, lock in your profits and don't worry about anything. That's your choices how to play open. Here it comes. And I expect you're going to see a huge movement this morning because it's built up from the last 2 shitty days where they didn't have any volume from America. America will be live today. Watch it go. There it goes. Pop. There it goes. There is your money on NAS. Take your money out. Called the arch up on NAS. There's your money on NAS. Take your money out on NAS. There's your money. There's the blue line touch on NAS. Take your money out on NAS. Take your money out on NAS. No need to keep that trade open. Look at NAS. Go straight up. Beautiful. Now, how high are we up here now? Let's see. Keep it going. Take your money out on NAS. Keep going with it. Let's keep that. If you opened up more than 1 or 2, take it. By all means, take that money. Keep on rolling. If you have it, then NAS is going to kick into your buy stop. Take a buy stop on NAS. That's perfectly fine on a 1 hour. Do not get greedy. Take your money out. This is exactly what we wanted to see happen. This is perfection. Let me go over to US 30 real quick so I can go through for you guys. You made shit ton of money on NAS. That is just perfection. 1 minute. Hold on. Let me see SPX real quick. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop officially on US 30. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop on US 30. Let me see SPX though. Oh yeah, SPX did it too. Congratulations whoever took those trades. I told you NAS was going to be a little different than US 30 this morning. I just knew it. You could see the way the setup was on our lines. Go ahead and put a buy in here. Hold on. If you don't like playing the 1 minutes, don't horse shit around. Don't do it. But if you do like doing it, go ahead. Oh, I should have got in lower. It's way too high of an entry. Let it keep coming down. Let it keep coming down. Thing of beauty. All right? Now, obviously you guys made some money on NAS. The buy stop to the blue line would have gathered you 18 pips. You're up 39 pips. If you're in more than one, please close it down. Please close one down and keep one open. NAS is absolutely perfection. Absolutely perfection. Look at it go. Perfect. SPX did the same thing, but I don't usually trade that. I just call it. I use it for signal calling. You're in the money on your buy stop on US 30. If you took that trade, you can go ahead and lock that in. Feel free. Lock in your money. You're up on that buy stop right there. We took profit on our 1 minute sell. You're up 20 pips now on that buy on US 30. Here goes US 30 going up. There it goes. Look at it. Wow. There's some money for you on US 30. Trade done live. That's $31 for me. I'm up $377 on my NAS one. Those are only 2 trades I have open. This account started at $250 this morning. And that's where we're at right now. So we have that $373 one still going. And $20 is going. That's all. If it taps me out, I'll get back in again and do it again. Nice. It's working. It's good. Thanks, $100 for Kobe. Great job, Kobe. Congratulations, brother. Yay. Nice to the blue call NAS for the win this morning, Jeremiah. Yes, you're welcome, Jeremiah. Always thank God in the system, and then breathe. Can y'all see gold? I just missed it. I was about to place an order and it took off without me, so premium open. I'm sure we call it gold. Yes, it's been called premium open. Good morning, Sam I am. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Jeremiah. Look at that money on US 30, called out just a few seconds ago. Look at how many pips you're up on US 30. There you go, 34 of them. Awesome. Let's go ahead and go over gold to see what he's talking about over there. Gold is. Gold is. Okay, just line people up to get here. I swear to God, you can't get anyone to work in this world anymore. Gold is a 1 minute buy stop. I have no idea what he's talking about here. There's a 5 minute buy stop. Yeah, these are easy calls. There was a 15-minute buy stop this morning, 30-minute buy stop this morning, 30-minute 1 hour buy stop, forming a 4-hour sell stop. And then it's going to be a daily buy. Yeah, gold is easy peasy. Hopefully make some money on that. Let's see what SPX is doing. Thing of beauty. Look at that go. Yep, and the NAS is an easy call because the way the system was laid out. I'll explain that in a second. You had the rise up here on NAS on the 5 minute. The yellow line went up. Then you had the white, 1 minute line, yellow line go up. And then you had pink cross. And then bingo, boppo, bango went up to the blue line and then slightly more. So if you should have closed out one and left one open, that's fine. And then you'd be in the money. That's how you play it. That's NAS for you. And then US 30 was very, very similar. US 30 was only dragged. Told you it was going to be a little different because the way it was dragging. The 5 minute line was up. You saw this hook right here to come down, but the yellow wasn't up again, so I couldn't call that on the sniper for you. SPX, on the other hand, I could. But I didn't look at it because I don't really trade that one too often. I just use it as a marker and like a guide. And there it is. See how this is the perfect, you see this? So this is what happens. You wait for the 5 minute to rise, it did. Then you wait for the 1 minute to rise, it did. Then you wait for the pink and the purple to come down from away from it. This is the pattern. You always are going to have to learn that pink and purple away from the yellow, and then yellow away from the yellow in a higher time frame, and it did that. And then bingo, boppo, bango at open, whoosh, there went SPX straight up, and NAS is the exact same formation. Easy peasy, and that's how you trade it. All right. All right. I don't know. That's that. That's that. In the money. In the money. Does anybody have any questions? You can write them in. If I can't read them, if you don't see me reading your question out loud, it's because it's been blocked by TikTok or YouTube. So you can email those if you need it. So I can start with $250. When you start trading, yes, Scott, you can start trading with $250. At first, though, you buy the system for $575. You don't trade anything for the first month or two with real money. Too late to buy NAS. Yes, definitely too late to buy NAS. Messenger. Yes, yes, sir. Jamie Rojo, what's up? TD, good morning, TD. Beautiful open says Jason. Yeah, Jason, you're really gonna like the box thing on the sniper if you use it. Absolutely. All right, I guess I'm going to go ahead and go then, guys. I'm going to call this early today. I have to go do some stuff on the new property. Oversee a few things, not actually do it, but I have to make sure it's done. Any update on the scanner rooms? Yeah, they're perfect. What do you mean, TD? The scanner rooms are up and perfect. Please look at the email and actually read the emails we send you or look in Discord. They're all updated, all upgraded. The scanner room's absolutely 100% perfect. go into Discord or look at the emails we sent you out. Multiple Discord messages and a full-on email. Yep. Peter P says, would you mind going? Yep, I sure will, Peter. All right, let's take a look at gold 4 hour. All right. Gold 4 hour. Oh, well, nah. Gold 4 hour. Sell stop. How long? Let me see something. I don't know if I can pull it in on the No, I can't. How long you're asking for gold? You want me to get that exact for gold? Let me see. It's hook up, it's above, it's above 1 minute. It's hooking down, 1 minute. Let me see over here, 15, 30, 30's up. And now it's coming up. I'd be looking for a I think it still needs to arch up a little bit more in that. I would just put it down here time-wise, because I can't get my charts to go out that long to end up memory. Because again, this is a relatively new trading computer. I would just put it down here somewhere way out of harm's way. All you need to do is catch it between the blue and the red. You don't put it way up here and hold it on the red line or something like that. Just put it between there and wait. Time-wise with 4 hours, usually those are in days, but the days can take months, weeks to months. So I would think in this case, if it's going to engage, what time did this start? It started on 7/3, 7/4. So yeah, I would think this would take maybe a day or two more, then you'll see it do its thing. You'll see it do it. Or maybe now, I don't know. Yeah, that's a hard one, but will it do it? Yes. Now, is it as good as the ones that were called all the way back here to the blue line back here? Once, twice, 3, 4 times to the blue line? No, those are always better. They happen first. Fill in the gap, do it better. But will it do it again? We'll see. Most likely, yes. Then it will turn into a daily, weekly buy stop. Probably just shooting down here, maybe getting a little closer to the daily red line, then it's going to bounce off and come back up again. My personal opinion. So sorry, I can't give you an exact time frame on that one, Peter. But I would be ready. I'd be ready for any moment right now. That's what I would be. All right, there's NAS again. Oh, look at NAS. Wow. That is just gorgeous. And who called the NAS one? And who's in the US 31? Yeah. Okay, it's going up to touch. Pink, purple is going up to touch. I'd be leery of that. I would sell one and keep one open. And just keep one open. I have one open. I'm going to lock mine in for some more profit though. You can see my 2 buy stops right here from this morning and from the other day, or these 2 right here. Those are my 2. 16.30. I did it right 1 minute after open on that $106 trade you're looking at. And then $439, that was back a couple weeks ago on that buying next. And I took this account down to under $250. So that's why we're looking at that. And it's back to 284 right now. Oh, I'm going to lower that. Are you still calling the 5/5 minute sells in SPX? 1 minute sell stops, the 5 minute blue lines, 1 hour buy stop. Nothing you can't call right now. There's nothing you can call. other than what I've written out. Look, 5-minute sell stops are still in play. 5-minute, 15-minute. Yeah, absolutely. Matter of fact, that US 30 was a thing of beauty. Holy shit. Yo, 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 yo. Shit. You should have jumped this one and started doing this one if you were going to take it. You've already made your money done out. Wow. Oh, well. Let me see something. Yeah, I got it, guys. Thanks for that heads up, by the way. Yeah, it's still officially a 5-minute, but I'm going to stay in that buy stop forever. Why would you get out of the buy stop? It doesn't make any sense. Let it keep going. Let it keep going. All right, I'm going to mark our out right here so we know. And then TikTok, if you don't have anything, I'm going to go ahead and go. TikTokers. All right, everybody on TikTok, have a great day. God bless you all. See you on later today. YouTube, any questions? YouTube, any questions? Are you still calling in 5 minutes? Yes, but officially it is. AI robot, my scanner will not load. Follow the directions in your email. It loads perfectly. You have to delete your cache, clear your cache, and go to the HTTP scanner. Exactly. Okay, just looking through it. You're welcome, Peter P. Take care and God bless, Eric. And you're welcome, Jason. You're welcome, Patrick. TV Crazy Property then. I don't know what to tell you. We'll just email. We'll forward your information. Remember, you don't ask specific questions to your own account. Okay, sure it is. Yeah, and if you still can't get it, we'll go ahead and run with your next waterfall. I don't know why. There's nothing going on here. Shoot us an email, though, AI, and then we'll forward it over to Keith. But it works. You reload it in. Look at that NAS. Holy shit. Look at NAS. Ha, 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 ha. Wow. NAS is, look at that candle. Look at that. Hold on. You guys have to see this shit. Look at this. Hold on. I'm not going to go yet. Look at this. This is insanity. Look at this shit. This is a this is a NAS 30-minute candle. Look at it. One candle, 100 pips. Aren't you glad we caught that this morning? Holy crap, we caught every penny of it. That's too funny. I gotta pull these up though. That's too. When do you see a candle on NAS 30 minutes straight up? God dang. Caught every bit of that. You caught it. Look at how nice that is. And if you entered it on your 1 hour buy stop, which you should have, which was called out, you'd be up somewhere in the neighborhood of 60 to 70 of those pips if you didn't do the 1 minute. That's crazy to me. Wow. Boomo Bapo Bango. The close, yeah. 78 scalps and 2 runners still running since I went to bed last night. Nice. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and go. God bless y'all. Have a great rest of your day. Shall see you later today. God bless. Night.